manggot. Isap kay anong the phone. Ay, mga kamumoys, good morning po. Today, ang mukha kong walang ligo. And ishap das my Christmas gift from my family. Ipa no? Family, no? Yeah. Not only you, family. So, mga kamumoys, good afternoon. Good afternoon, guten tag, buenas tardes. Ayong udto, maayong hapon. Kaninyong tanan around the world. Today, I'm already late. Magawa ako ng smoothie, mga kamoys. My 13 round fruits and New Year. Gawin kong smoothie. At saka dito ang anak ko, si Evie. Tulungan ako niya magbalat ng mga prutas. Prutas is fruits. And I will show you. My fruits is ni kunot. Ni kunot parang panit ni unot. Yeah, okay. I will show you. Ni kunot parang Lola. Is Lola's house. Lola's house. That is like Lola's skin, mga kamumoys. Oh, pwede pa kainin. I will make it a smoothie. So, I will show how to balat and after is smoothie. See you later, mga kamumoys. Unlock my daughter. Balatan ang kasi I will get that. Okay. So, balatan namin ang mga prutas, mga kamumoys. At saka gawing smoothies. So, din. So, lumos already di malo is better. So,
aber so sieht man das Brett, Mama.
Ja, okay. Maria ist die runterfällt. It is smoothie weg. Also, ich hab's rein. Wir waschen nochmal. Nochmal. Like that. Machen wir wir laufen Kamera, Laufkamera irgendwo so. Weißt du nicht in Modus, was ich glaube, das hat die Christoph gesagt. Was ist das? So, mga kamumoys. That is the rest fruits from yesterday from the church. Mga kamumoys, dinala ko kasi masayang. At saka walang taong kakain na kasi busog. Maraming Christmas party is much abundant foods kahapon sa amin, mga kamumoys. At saka mabuti magawing smoothies. So that is what is this yellow melon?
Honigmelone.
Honey melon and Gallia melon. Das ist Honis und das ist Gallia. Gallia, I don't know what is Gallia. Gallia in German, das glaube ich. Das ist ein bisschen hart. This is here, this is here. Das auch ist ein bisschen.
Smoothie gerne.
Ja, so wie das smoothie da in Mönchengladbach war, ist lecker. Ich mag immer, man ist da in Mönchengladbach bin. So, i-off mo na, dann i-off kan so nahiya bila makan. Hi mga kamomoys! Today, magawa kami ng smoothies from the 11 fruits. From banana, mango, so like that. Mga kamomoys, so pour ang machine on at saka i-fade mo lang orange, maracuya, persil, o kiwi, Gala melon, Gallia melon, and honey melon. So like that, ang paggawa mga kamoy. Very soft na siya mga kamoys. Hinog na sila lahat. And it's easy to pay. Ano? Isang po papaya. Lagyan ko pa ng papaya mga kamoys after. Kasi nakapaya nalimutan. Kaya papaya pa rin. So like that. Pwede ano na lahat mga kamoys. Like that. Kasabit yun na natin. Cover mga kamoys para nili mag-sip-sip. May nalimutan mga kamoys, ang papaya pala. May papaya. I have to open already. Tingnan mo papaya mga kamoys. Nabili ko ito before New Year. So, I will stop and I will add the papaya. So, mga kamoys, we will continue with the papaya. What istorbo is circle no, mere circle, okay? Parang maano na siya mga kamoys, like juice. Tingnan. So, itorbo ko siya. Ito ang i-post ko. Turbo. So, like that. 10 minutes or 11 minutes. Okay, 10 minutes mga kamoys.
Seconds.
Oh, seconds pala. 10 minutes. Seconds is very short and minutes is lang. Okay mga kamoys. Then I will show mga kamoys. Magtagay ako mga kamoys. I will pour it in the glass. We will drink with my daughter together. So mga kamoys. Ito nalako kanina at saka may cover glass. Ito ang pag open. So like that, unlock. Dan ngayon tanggalin ko siya mga kamoys, like that, the cover. Wow, very lapot mga kamoys, very sticky. Sticky like spicy. So, I will tagay mga kamoys, so like that. So, wow, ang mga seeds. Makita natin ang mga seeds pa itim. Ano siguro yun sa kiwi. Kiwi seeds pa ipadis.
Maracuya.
So, maracuya. Maracuya. So, mga kamoy, ito lang muna. At saka lagyan namin ng orange juice para hindi sticky. Ito, kung mayroon kang orange juice or apple juice, multivitamin juice. Ilagay namin mga kamoys para not so sticky. Not so, where's my in Deutsch?
Dick.
Nicht so dick. Und ich bin dick. Dann kann man rollen mit Löffelchen. Wo ist mein lange Löffelchen? Oh. Ito. Okay. So, like that, mga kamoys. And you have to like that. Damit, you have to drink it like a juice. So, my daughter, for you, Pipi.
Dankeschön.
Bitte schön.
Prost.
Prost.
And try.
Very yummy. Oh, wow. So, mga kamoys, that is 11 fruits in all. Maybe I can remember a little bit. I put here the papaya. mango, bananas, maracuya, kiwi, orange, banana, persis,
Apple.
apple, unan the two kinds of melons, the honey melon and the what is that? The other fruit pamelon is galia and honey melon. So ito lang lahat mga kamoys, 11 fruits or 12. Mangoes, maraming mangoes at saka 2 bananas. 1 big papaya, and melons is 1 big galas melon and 1 honey big melon. At saka ang pinakamaliit dyan is the maracuya. The smallest one is the maracuya and kaki. I forgot. Yes. For mango and kaki is past the same. Yellow sila mga kamoys. A yellow submarine. But it's very delicious mga kamoys. 11 fruits. No need to eat, only to drink. Because it's softies. Softies is
Juicy.
juicy. Yeah, juicy. I'm not juicy. Only the fruits are juicy. Okay mga kamoys, and prosper New Year. Happy New Year, the whole world. With my 11 fruits, mga kamoys. Okay? Thank you for watching. Have a blessed Monday po.